Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to the last episode of our 6K challenge road trip to Gujarat and Rajasthan from Bangalore in our own car. The last destination that we are visiting is a place that is a pride of India. The tallest statue in the world, that is Statue of Unity. We were all supercharged to witness the gigantic statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, which was given to this world on October 31st, 2018. There's a vast parking area where thousands of cars can be parked. There are frequent shuttle services which takes us from parking place till the statue. We could see a glimpse of the statue while we were in the bus. Even the hills surrounding the statue were looking so tiny in front of the statue.
We have now officially entered after passing all the security checks. What we are carrying right now is mobile, my action camera, extra batteries and water bottle. No food items or any additional bags are allowed. It's pretty crowded right now. We have also taken tickets for viewing gallery. Not sure how long will be the queue.
This statue depicts one of the great leaders that India had, that is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India. Right in front of the statue, we can see Sardar Sarovar Dam, which was a dream of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel before Indian independence. The dam can be seen from the heart portion of the statue, which is named as viewing gallery, indicating his heartfelt dream coming true. The chest level is 135 from the ground level. The lift took just 33 to 35 seconds to take us till the chest level. Ram V. Sutar from Maharashtra designed the Statue of Unity when he was 90 years old, who is currently 99 years as of 2024. He is also a recipient of Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan. Anil Sutar, the son of Ram V. Sutar, explains that the expression, posture and pose justify that the dignity, confidence, iron will as well as kindness that his personality exhibits. Here are some interesting and amazing facts about the tallest statue in the world. The statue is located in Gujarat on the banks of Narmada River facing Sardar Sarovar Dam. The Statue of Unity movement started in 2013 to collect the iron needed for the statue by asking the farmers to donate their unused farming instruments.
ನಾವೆಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಬೇಗ ಯಾರದ್ದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಯೂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
The height of the statue is 182 meters, which depicts the Gujarat State Assembly's seat count, that is 182. If there is any damage in any metallic plate of the statue, it can be replaced independently based on the numbering of the plate without impacting the design of the statue. 1,700 metric ton of iron is used in the outer portion of the statue, while inner portion that has structural steel that connects with the outer portion uses 6,000 metric ton. Even a massive wind flow of 180 km per hour or the earthquake of 6.5 Richter scale will have no impact on the statue. L&T constructed the statue within 46 months, which is also a world record to construct such a huge and gigantic statue in such a short period of time. Kevadia's jungle safari is one of the important sightseeing places near Statue of Unity. The highlight of this jungle safari is the walk through Aviary, harboring the finest of birds from around the world. Here the visitors can walk inside the geodesic domes, which houses the birds specific to varied habitats. The view will not be obstructed by the bars of the cages. These aviaries, constructed as geodesic domes, are among the largest in India. It was heartwarming to view different varieties of cute and colorful birds at a mere touchable distance from us.
Now my kid is with me and my wife has already started. Who is going to go to the center place of this maze? India's largest maze. Let's see. The race has already started.
It was thrilling to play in India's largest maze garden, where the real fun lies in reaching the center of the garden through the confusing twists and turns and experience the mesmerizing fun.
This is great fun, man. Both the parties joined together again. Finding the way alone was tough. We are finding the route as a team. Where?
One can never miss iconic Unity Glow Garden, where each and every object like statues of animals, flowers, trees, plants, and even the seats and the steps glow with colorful lights, making one feel walking in the dreamland.
Finally, the time has come where we have to end the most exciting, memorable 6K challenge road trip in our cute little car, Swift. This was the most memorable road trip ever that we had. It was a 15 days long road trip. Our initial estimation was it is going to be 6,000 kilometers, but it has exceeded, for which we are super happy. It is going to be 6,500 kilometers by the time we reach Bengaluru. So today is day 14. We have started from Statue of Unity towards Pune. We're going to be taking pit stop in Pune and we'll head to Bangalore tomorrow morning. This was super special road trip because we witnessed a variety of places. It was not a monotonous journey that we had. We witnessed local market of Ahmedabad, the golden city Jaisalmer, the white run of Kutch, the most memorable drive in Road to Heaven, visited amazing temples like Dwarka, Somnath, Shivrajpur beach, saw the king of jungle so close in our Gir safari, and also saw the Statue of Unity, which is the world's tallest statue. So I have made separate videos for each of these destinations. The playlist is now shown in the iCard. Please go and check it out. We can create more such videos and we can have more such road trips if and only if we have your support. So please do subscribe to our channel right away. Your comment and feedback matters to us. So please use the comment box, drop in your valuable comments and feedbacks, and if you have liked the video, please share it with your friends and family. With this, we are signing off, ending our 6K challenge road trip in our own cute little car, Swift. See you soon in our next road trip. Thank you.
$6,500 kilometers, 14 days, 4 states, 1 union territory, countless incredible places, all in our cute little Swift car. Embark, an awe-inspiring odyssey through the heart and soul of incredible India.